Energy distribution. Feed-in management per EEG regulations. Renewable energy is dependent on natural resources. We can't control the weather with our components, but we can control the quality of the power grid and adapt it to any condition. Operators use our products to construct virtual power stations that extend as far as the electrical outlet in the home. Whether it's through wind power, solar power, water, biogas, or conventional resources, we network the entire decentralized power generation and thus ensure a balanced, safe, and intelligent power grid. In other words, a smart grid.